here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain, some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
That is big. This angle. Yeah, I sat on it. Oh, my cheeks. But yeah.
go ahead and excuse the fact that my wig was not straight on my head. Why wasn't my wig straight? And it's the fact that the man was still very happy to take the pictures with me. Trust and believe that he was saying thank you multiple times. And when I left, they were laughing, they were smiling, they were so happy. And I think a few more persons came after to take pictures with me. It's wild. You are really a beauty when you're traveling Asia. Look at me with a lean wig, just smiling away. Anyways, back to the video. I should add right here, I was wiping sweat from my face. Like I was sweating so hard. Malaysia is so hot, and I'm sure if I glue down that wig, it would be lifted. And right here, I think I'm running from some monkeys. Yup, fighting for my life. Back to the video.
Oh dear, literally. Alright, we're gonna see what we can do.
He coming back in with a live report. Well, not with a live report, I mean future D. So these steps are absolutely beautiful. There are many people on them, walking up, walking down. Did I go to the top? No. Did I take a picture on the steps? Yes. Yes, and that is good enough for me. Amen. Let the church say amen. But it's beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful. I would return in more comfortable clothing and climb to the top. By the way, the screaming you're hearing, that's a woman fighting for her life against a monkey. Look how cute the Buddha statue is. Look how cute I look. Yes, girl, work it. You better work it. Alright, bye. Oh my god, I think I'm catching a cold. But look at how beautiful. Yes, you better swing that hair. That's beautiful. Oh, look at me. Right here, I just want to say, when you're a solo traveler and you visit some countries, you can just bring your tripod. Right here, I set up my tripod and I took pictures, I took videos. Yes, the quality is not all that because I'm using an iPhone XS Max, so the quality is not absolutely gorgeous, but it's good, it's really good. Back in again because I need to do a voiceover for this part. So this lady, I gave her a tip at first. No. Let's backtrack. I saw her, she had a container, I gave her some money, right? And then she's like, no, come on, I'm selling jewelry, come look, try. So I said, okay, let me go and try the jewelry. I asked her the cost, I think. But anyway, she was adamant that I should try the jewelry. When I tried the jewelry, so this man was in the background saying that he wants to, you know, do the video for me because he realized I'm a solo person here and whatever. That's his child right there in the background. Then he's going to come up into the camera because he wants to look. Yes, he's coming. Yup. Dun 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 dun. Peace. I'm cool. Anyways, so the lady is then going to go ahead and tell me that the price for the bracelet is absolutely, most definitely ridiculous. So the man was trying to help me. I think the man came over and was saying that nah, that's too expensive, blah blah blah. And I'm like, you know what, just take it off, just take it off. I gave you a little tip, it's fine, just take it off, it's good. So she went ahead and took it off. I said no, it's fine, just take it off, it's okay. So she went ahead and take it off, right? She took off the bracelet, and then my dress was I was having a little bit of a dress issue. So I asked her if she could just tie me up kindly. Since I gave her some money already, contribute to her can you just help me tie up my dress? And she did. Bless her soul. And I hope the bracelets sell in the future. Thank you. And bye. So right here, she's fixing the dress for me. However, there are a couple things I want you to know. One, when you're traveling, yes, you can give to people on the road that you see that's asking for assistance. But if they're selling something, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't go and try them goods. Not gonna test it out. Just mind your business. I thank you. And bye.
What's your 5 minute life?
Okay, I don't want anyone coming for me. I did not. Yes, I was sweating a lot. I did not realize it was so bad. But the second thing that I did not realize was that the steps said no shoes on the steps. I did not see that, baby. I was strutting. I was a supermodel on that day, and I did not realize that it said no shoes on the steps until my second go around. I went up, I came down, and I was going up again, and I was like, wait, no shoes on the steps. Damn. So my apologies. I sincerely apologize about that. Reading is fundamental. No lies. No lies were told. Reading is indeed fundamental. Bye. someone served me, they asked me what I want, and they gave me whatever I want. You could use the QR code to scan and see their menu. Beautiful setup. They put me at the front, so I was slightly on display, but the food was really good. One thing, because it's a buffet type restaurant, the food was a bit cold, so that was a drawback. But the food was delicious. There are many options for drinks. There you can see that the man is taking out my rice for me, plating it for me, and I had the option to eat off a banana leaf like a local. Yay! So I was served on a banana leaf. There he is trying to share the rice that I want, and he's going to go back for the meat. To people there, you have the option to eat with your fingers, like the people, some people decide right. And here he is putting it on to my banana leaf for me. Very cool restaurant. Yeah, as I was saying, you had the option to use your fingers or you can get your utensils. I chose my utensils because my nails, I just had a manicure and I wanted to preserve my manicure. So yes, let's look at lunch for the day. To jump right in, that little crackers thing that they put on a plate is kind of like flour. It's more crispy, like it's a bit fried or baked. Yummy. That dipped in curry. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Just like on the right. Alright. The signature chicken. Oh, okay. Thanks. After they're just nervous. Just nervous. And the man, I think he was like trying out for the job, so like probably his first week on the job or something. The one that was actually serving my rice and stuff like that. Yeah, that's the supervisor that came around. There's some good experience. Here's the signature chicken. It's sticky. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, well. Okay, let me talk you through it. So we have the signature chicken, we have those nice crispy crackers, rice, lemon tea, curry, water. So I feel definitely full. And let's dig in, baby. Yes, sir. My only complaint is the fact that the food was cold and buffet style, that's what you sign up for. But otherwise from that, the flavors were there. Yes. And that's the setting. That's how the restaurant looks. And we're going back to the hotel. Let's go. Kuala Lumpur. Let's try them out on. Please, when you show the shirt. This not taste like Jamaican medal. This not taste like Jamaican medal. It's almond, dairy free. Because regular milk affects my skin. And it's no sugar. Mighty Jesus of Daniel. Any sugar? Any sugar? So, how has Malaysia been since?
Yeah. I took out swimsuit cause my work at the pool.
Okay, so I'm back. The safe wasn't open, so I needed someone to come and open it. Yeah, as I was saying, so Little India it was just too much. So the first restaurant I went in, the people were like, you know, everyone wanted to take my order, and I just couldn't communicate with so many persons. Then after that, I went to another restaurant. Now this restaurant, it was a bit more, it was less people, and so many persons were bombarding me to take my order.
So, went in, I wanted a shrimp fried rice again, but obviously right across Little India, like those type of meals, I serve it after 8 p.m. So that's something to note. So I said, okay, what do you have? They have a signature Thai chicken. It was good. It's just like the food, like most restaurants there, they serve cooking style. The food was cold. One. The rice was slightly hot, but then it got cold real quick. And of course, you see what I ordered. But yeah, and it started to rain. I went to Batu, which was awesome, and then it started to rain. So
gets you where you need to be. So, I have to drop this in. I love that tote bag so much. Of course, it got soil on the trip. Coffee spill on it, or Milo, I think, or Malta. One out of the three. But me love that tote bag there. I got it from Candy in Japan. 100 yen. I'm making 200 yen. Okay, that's 200. That's like 200 Jamaican.
Okay.
It was so big, so beautiful, and perfect. I loved it. Here I am just doing the most. Alright, them say in Jamaica, high seed kill Miss Thomas post, and yeah. Oh my god, why was I doing that? P.S. The swimsuit is from Shein. Beautiful swimsuit, chef kiss, love it. It's actually really cute, and it could wear as a bodysuit as well. So yeah, I was doing the absolute most in this swimsuit. Wig is actually from AliExpress. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to get the link for the wig or the link for the swimsuit. Bye. So right here, I wanted my camera to come closer to me, so I asked a stranger to help me with that, and she helped me. And look at me trying to show off the weight. So again, for this part, I wasn't doing much talking, but if you're in Malaysia, I have to learn something. Absolutely beautiful. And the night is good. The daytime is good. extra good. Yeah. You can get your. Okay, so we're in the mall. The map Bottega Veneta. Bossasi. But Mr. Victoria's Secret, so now I wonder if I could afford like 2 panty. I'm almost, all of these flights kind of broke the eye. So yeah, I'm Christian here and I have Dior down here, so. Whoa. I wonder if I can afford 2 panty. Alexander Queen. Oh, see, I wonder if I can afford 2 panty. I almost can't afford 2 panty. Chapard, Balenciaga. No, so I have to jump in and say, I don't know why I am calling the names of these stores like that. I was probably high on life. Let's call it that. Oh, Victoria's Secret, so I can afford 2 money. You know, somebody can buy the boots. Chanel. I'm gonna buy the Christian Dior winter boots now. But this part of them trying to tell me I can't buy them. Rolex Paris and it's a bust down. Not a Rolex Paris still. But that's what the man say, eat the penis, so you must come. I don't know what that thing say. Anyways, I just see I can't afford 2 panty. I almost can't afford 2 panty. Wow. How about this now? Oh, this must be the food court area. But that's what I can't afford 2 panty. I almost can't afford it. Then I must snacksy waxy. Glasses. No, man. Tiffany Cow. No, man. So many things I can't afford 2 panty. How much can I afford 2? I have no idea why I was so obsessed about 460 I have no idea. And I went in there and I didn't see anything. Like I liked it, but the prints were like so distinct. And I didn't buy any. And do you hear much time I mentioned in this video I'm going to buy
Victoria, keep me secret.
just one of the
2 panty. Victoria. These are cute. Yeah, it's nice. So Victoria's Secret right across the panty? Wow.